In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clickable button in Canva. If you want your design to feel more interactive, adding a clickable button is a simple and effective way to do it. This is especially useful for PDFs, presentations, digital planners, lead magnets, or any Canva project that people will view on a screen. The idea is to create something that looks like a real button, then attach a link so viewers can click and go exactly where you want them to. To get started, go to the left side menu and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps all kinds of design items, including basic shapes that work perfectly as button backgrounds. Next, choose a shape such as a rectangle or a rounded square. Rounded shapes often look a little more modern and button-like, but either option works well. Once you've picked your shape, drag it onto your page and position it where you want the button to appear. After that, change the color of the shape so it stands out clearly from the rest of your design. This part matters because a button should be easy to notice at a glance. Try using a color that contrasts with the background while still fitting your overall design style. The goal is to make it obvious that this is something meant to be clicked. Now it's time to add your button text. Click on the text tool and place a short call to action phrase on top of the shape. Something simple and direct works best, like "click here" or "buy now." Keep the wording short so it's easy to read, and make sure the text is centered nicely on the shape. You can also adjust the font size and color if needed so the text stays clear and legible. Once the button looks the way you want, you can make it clickable. Click the More icon, which appears as 3 dots on the top toolbar, or right-click the element to open the same kind of menu. From there, select Link. Now paste in your destination web URL if you want the button to open a website. If you're working inside a multi-page Canva document, you can also choose a specific page in your document instead. This is a great option for creating navigation buttons, like moving to a contact page, a pricing page, or another section of your design. Finally, click Done to save the link. And that's it. You've created a clickable button in Canva that not only looks polished, but also helps guide your viewer to the next step.